Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a spirulina face mask. This natural treatment offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Spirulina is packed with antioxidants, helping to protect your skin from environmental stressors. It can also reduce inflammation and promote a more even complexion. Plus, this mask helps detoxify your skin, leaving it feeling incredibly refreshed and revitalized. Regular application may even improve skin elasticity and firmness, giving you a youthful glow. Now, let's gather the simple ingredients you will need for this amazing mask. First, grab 1 teaspoon of high-quality spirulina powder. Next, prepare 1 tablespoon of raw honey. It is wonderful for moisturizing your skin. You will also need 1 teaspoon of filtered water or aloe vera gel, depending on your preference. Finally, make sure you have a small, non-metallic bowl and a clean applicator brush for mixing and applying. Creating your mask is super easy. In your small bowl, combine the 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder with the 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Stir these 2 ingredients together well. Then, gradually add the 1 teaspoon of filtered water or aloe vera gel. Continue mixing thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Make sure there are no lumps, ensuring an even and effective application to your skin. With your mask ready, it is time for application. Apply the paste evenly to your clean, dry face, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. Let the mask work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water, using soft, circular motions. Finally, pat your skin dry with a clean towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer for a truly radiant glow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.